You'll hear about my fiasco earlier in the week with my tire situation, which that thing don't look bad, really. I mean, it looks different, but the thing still looks slick. It wasn't no ugly car. I think I could lower it down on them stocks. Be good. Well, there I go again, trying to mess with stuff. But you know, I think that's part of it. But anyways, I'll tune back in once I drive it. I'm gonna go set everything up and go drive it. Alright, I'm driving. It feels a whole lot better. Definitely needed those. We're gonna see when I hit some bumps.